Something else to point out about this way of growing tomatoes, you see that? That's new growth. And not only there's 10 of these around the plant. They're all over the place. And that means that the nutrient is still good after almost 4 months, 3 months and 3 weeks. And that's a result of not emptying and refreshing the nutrient. The nutrient is that well balanced that it doesn't need to be dumped, which means when hydroponic nutrients are dumped into the environment, that's hardly a good thing in itself. So here it is, ready to grow more tomatoes without ever being dumped and refreshed. That's in addition to the advantages of no electricity, no aeration of the nutrient liquid, because the roots get plenty of air, more than they need, in that humid airspace above the liquid level. And that develops as the roots go deeper into the solution, the plant gets bigger, and it uses more liquid. And there is the airspace that develops. So you don't need aeration of the liquid, it's right there in the airspace. The other advantage, pointed out in the earlier YouTube, you go on vacation for 7 weeks after you set it up. There's absolutely no maintenance after initial setup for 7 long weeks.